this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own carving tool, or sometimes we call it a loop tool, and you can see I've used mine and it is well loved. Okay, so you're going to need a popsicle stick, a paper clip, and some duct tape, and we'll get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your paper clip and you're going to open it up so it has a loop on each side, just like that. Then you're probably going to want to use the larger side for your loop tool. So you're going to place your larger side hanging off of the popsicle stick. Then you're going to take your duct tape. You only need maybe 2 inches. Tear it off. You're going to duct tape this on. It is important that this end hanging off here, this open end, gets taped in securely. So I'm going to make sure that I cover that. And before I wrap it around, I'm going to take my nail and kind of make sure that I get a good seal here all along. And I can wrap this around and just keep wrapping. Give it a nice press. That's pretty secure there. And there's my loop tool, my carving tool. I am going to ask you that you put your name and your period on it, so if it falls on the floor, I can give you the tool back. And that's how you make your own carving tool. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.